my channel. Today's video is so exciting and so different. I am doing an empty house tour. I just moved and yeah, this house is absolutely beautiful and I want to show you guys the house before it's all decorated and stuff. I watch these videos. I think they're super fun. So I'm going to show you guys my house. So let's go. When you first get to the house, it looks like this. We got the garage as you love. And then over here we have a little fountain, which is very cute. I think this area is just so adorable. So expect lots of OOTD pictures over here because it's literally so cute. This is the house. You walk in, it looks like this. Well, first I'm going to show you over here. So we have this room, which I'm not really sure what we're going to do with it. There's a lot of bookshelves over here, and then like a little thing over here. So we love space, you know. So I might put a little desk in there, get some work done. Then we have a closet. So then we have the guest bathroom. Nothing that special, but still very cute. Then we have the downstairs room. This room I actually really like because the lighting is really good in this room. And it also has a cute little closet. And it has a bomb bathroom. This shower is everything. I'm a huge shower lover. I'll have all my Lush products in there. And it has a little cute sink. That is the first room. This is going to be the living room, and then over here is obviously going to be the formal dining room. Love the view, super cute. Then we continue over here, and we have another living room. These are the only two pieces of furniture we have in the house right now. So 2 couches, and then we have a flat screen TV over there, a nice fireplace, so it's warm and toasty. Best believe I'm gonna have my friends over and we're just gonna like drink wine, watch some TV, and that's what I'm about, you know? Also have a candle burning right now in the scent, what's it say? Oh, winter, because winter is coming up. And then over here, this is the kitchen. Love the countertops. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do some cooking videos. I'm not the best cook, but a girl can try, so let me know. And then over here, we just have storage or pantry, this to like hang up your keys and stuff, and the washroom. Then in this room, we have the door that accesses the garage, so my car will be in here. And then over here, we're the family room. We have the view of the outside, which the outside is definitely my favorite part. So let's go look at the backyard. This is probably the best backyard I've had. The last house I lived in had a pretty decent backyard, but this is next level. So over here we have a little fireplace area so that we can roast marshmallows. I can have my friends over, which is fantastic. And then we have the cute little seating area. Over here we have a bar and a grill. So again, wine. You guys ever like wine? You're old enough to drink. Wine nights over here, yes. And then this is my favorite part. So over here we have the infinity pool, which is so freaking cute. And the view, you seriously cannot beat this view. Like, it's so beautiful. So this is the pool, and then over here is the hot tub. Now, if you guys don't know, I seriously love going to the spa with my friends, and I love hot tubs so much, so I will be in this thing 24/7. The hot tub in my last house never worked, so a girl was never in it. But this, I will be in it all day, every day. Best believe. Yeah, and there's also a diving board as well. I'm not really the biggest fan of like diving because like I don't want to get my hair wet, but I'm sure I have some friends that want to, so go ahead. And then down here we have this thing for storage. I'm sure we can keep like towels in there. And then there's more steps, and there's just so much space and yard for my dog. If you guys don't know, I have a dog, Spongy. He will love this house so much. Saw the outside and the downstairs, it's time to go upstairs, so let's go. This is the upstairs. We have this cute little area to put different things. Then we have the big room, super cute, lovely bathroom. Yeah, there's a really nice bathtub, a bomb shower. As you guys know, I am a huge shower lover, so shower there. And now let's see the other rooms. So over here we have the kind of office. So I'm definitely gonna put my iMac over here and maybe like edit some videos and stuff, but love that. And then over here we have cute little room. So in this room, I feel like I'm going to make this like my beauty room slash where I film my main channel videos. So I can see myself like having my vanity and like getting my makeup done here because the lighting is pretty good in this room, I will say. And this room has a nice bathroom as well. More bathrooms, the better. And then over here, we have these two rooms. This one I love because I love windows that just open out. And then it connects to the bathroom. Yes. And then it connects to this room. So don't know what this room's gonna be either, but it's a room. Let's go back downstairs. Yeah, that is pretty much my house tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up and let me know if you guys are excited for moving vlogs. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel and I really hope that you guys like my new house. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.